So who's going to sell their Berewick house? That's what everyone is wondering. Stick around for your latest Berewick real estate market update. Everyone, please don't raise your hands at once. I'm Sir Ashley, your Berewick neighbor and real estate advisor. I provide insights about our community, Charlotte, and introduce you to people in and around our community right here in Berewick. Now let's jump into the numbers. Last month there were 4 home sales in Berewick, and that's 1 less from this time last year. February is typically a calm month right before the storm of the buying and selling spring season. The average days on market was a grand total of 1. Last year this time, the average days on market was 18. There's a severe shortage of housing inventory, and it's causing prices to skyrocket. To get a full picture of the Charlotte housing market, be sure to check out this video right here. In that video, I discuss home prices, inventory, interest rates, and how new construction will look moving forward in the Charlotte area. Last month, the highest home sale in Berewick was $395,000. It was a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, just over 3,000 square feet. The lowest home sale for last month was $332,000, and it was a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,500 square foot home. An investor bought that property. And after seeing the property and knowing this neighborhood, I believe the investor got a steal of a deal. Now, I don't want to get too deep into it, but neighbors, let me give you some advice. All realtors aren't created equal. Just like all teachers and all handymen aren't created equal either. And if your realtor can't provide you at least 2 or 3 contractors that can touch up or get your home ready for the market, what are they doing? Aren't they the real estate professionals? I'll leave it at that. The average sale price for Berewick last month was $368,500. That's up over 9% from this time last year. The average price per square foot was just over $134. Currently, there are not one home available for sale. However, there are 3 homes that are coming soon, and there are 13 homes that are under contract right now. And maybe one of those homes might be coming back available because 2 of those homes have been under contract for almost a month and a half, and that's not usual. Be sure to check out some of my other videos about Charlotte, real estate, and money. I hope this helps you moving forward. I'm Sir Ashley, your Berewick neighbor and realtor. Talk soon.